Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix WhatsApp not working problem on Samsung Galaxy S26. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here to click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll on and click on apps. Now here and click on search and search WhatsApp app. You will see WhatsApp app is here, so click on WhatsApp app. Now here scroll down and click on storage. So if you want to fix WhatsApp not working problem, so click on clear cache. So after click on clear cache, your WhatsApp problem is solved. After the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can fix WhatsApp not working problem on Samsung Galaxy S26. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.